Today, in this video, we will talk about how to cancel Disney Plus subscription on Android and iOS. So, all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, you can cancel your subscription through the platform where you originally purchased it. If you want to know how to cancel Disney Plus on desktop or laptop or Disney Plus app, video link is in description box. Method 1. Cancel Disney Plus subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Select Disney Plus app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a Disney Plus premium subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Disney Plus app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And follow the prompts, and you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Disney Plus app subscription on Android and iOS. Hopefully this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.